Polling at Wapung Skur in East Jayanta Hills under 22 Musnyang Rangat constituency was disrupted today after unidentified miscreants vandalized the polling station A and B meant for male and female voters and damaged the EVM around 11 a.m. Following the incident, polling officials retreated to the district headquarters and security was heightened. Unconfirmed reports suggest a clash between political party supporters triggered the chaos. However, authorities have refrained from commenting. A report has been sought and action will follow based on its findings.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapung Skur bakadai jong kishan rang bat bi pada kadai jong ki kentai te hakani pada baro kayat baik men step di kamdon ni kadon kajing ya sutu bakla men step kendiat layapan baik te kalayat baik baro te hadu hatway angkau kalayat baik ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor hatway lai kusan tingi yo nok report bakala don kata kajing wan jong kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kaliang presiding buat ki polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti itu khmat kisuan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penperalut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha kaju kapor hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilek sahapo sakita kiwei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada kisdang sakitaru kilek ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat lut ya kitiar EVM kibamla itu khmat ti habaki nakliang jung kisnong ru kila penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban itu khmat kisuan kirung baik ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro men step kalang kalaya jai bah karukomlong jongka jing thebut te kensan ha kita kipori isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban itu khmat te ni nang hab banwat jing tep ya kata
ha kan ko durung itu khmat they cover the face or what
dem ki klam cover tamak ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim itu ya ki kim tip ya ki dei nasional ne kim dei ru tip okay ti stangki snong hi kila ban pek mi kata rena kaliang jong polling team jong ni ki ong nim itu ki dei na eru kim ong badai na eru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki surung baik forcefully surung baik ki supen surung ki suwan pen pat baik